Compound A, C8H10O, is found to react with NaOI, which is produced by reacting Y with NaOH, and yields a yellow precipitate with characteristic smell. A and Y are respectively. The correct option is option 4. Option 4 is secondary alcohol, which on oxidation gives phenyl methyl ketone, which is acetophenone. This on reaction with I2 and NaOH forms iodoform and sodium benzoate. The reaction is given NaOH plus I2 gives NaOI plus NaI plus H2O. Compound A reacts with NaOI produced from this reaction and gives acetophenone, which reacts with I2 and NaOH to give iodoform, which is the yellow precipitate, and COONA, which is sodium benzoate.